if and else letter. With while loop, you can do something many times until you get a value, like in this case, until you get number 42. So if I run this, I have to enter the number here many times, like the number 12 and number 35 and then number 42, and it finally stops. Because as you can see, I'm testing until while the response is different from 42. Should you not like the while, the test, to be here at the top, you have the option of the repeat that runs the code up to the very bottom where it does the if and does the break here. So the result is running everything again, 25, 36, and 42, but the actual test is at the bottom here. When we talk about loops, the for loop is the winner, because we're normally talking about X number of data, 100,000 data points, and so on. So we actually know the number of data points that we do have. So we can play like this from 1 to 5, or go from 5 to 1 here, and just go one by one. So Professor, let's play with using a more interesting for loop, because now it has a block of code and it has a test inside. So basically,